Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to turn on auto update on Play Store. For the settings, you have to open Play Store. After opening Play Store, you can see here your Gmail account photo. Click here. Then you have to click settings option here. After clicking settings, you can see here network and preference option. Click to network and preference. Then here you can see auto update apps. Click to auto update apps. And here you can see the update all over Wi-Fi or mobile data option. Turn it on. Update all apps as soon as updates are available. Data charge may be applied. Update with limited amount of mobile data. When Wi-Fi is not available, Google Play will update a few of your most important apps. If you select update over Wi-Fi only update when Wi-Fi is available. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.